Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll walk you through how to write a concern letter. This document allows you to express an issue or problem clearly and professionally, whether it's related to service, product, quality, or any other matter. Start by including your name, address, email, and phone number at the top. Right below that, you'll add the recipient's details, their name, designation, the company or organization name, and their address. Then, you'll specify the subject of your letter, which should briefly highlight the issue you're addressing. For example, concern regarding issue. In the opening, use a formal salutation like "Dear," recipient's name, to maintain a professional tone. From here, you'll begin explaining the concern and request a resolution, ensuring clarity and professionalism in your approach. After that, write, "I am writing to formally express my concern regarding," briefly state the issue, e.g., delayed maintenance service in my apartment. Despite previous attempts to resolve this matter, the issue remains unaddressed, causing inconvenience and potential risks. I kindly request immediate attention to this matter to avoid further complications. I appreciate your prompt action in addressing this concern. Please let me know the next steps or any additional information required from my side. I look forward to your response at your earliest convenience. Sincerely, your name. Here's our sample concern letter. You'll notice how it clearly outlines the issue you're addressing, explaining the problem in a clear and concise manner. It also includes essential details such as how the issue is affecting you and why it requires immediate attention. By following this format step by step, you can create a strong and effective concern letter that conveys the urgency and importance of the matter. This letter helps the recipient understand the issue from your perspective and encourages prompt action to resolve it. And with that, I end this video. If you found this writing guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on crafting effective letters.